Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy. I'm Max.
And I'm Rose. I am so happy to be here with you today, Max. How are you?
I'm fantastic, Rose. The sun is out, and I am feeling very excited about our topic. It's a big one!
A big topic? I love those. What are we diving into today?
Something exciting.
I can't wait.
Today, we are going to learn how to train your brain to speak in English.
Wow, train my brain? That sounds like a real workout. Is it going to be difficult?
Not at all. Think of it as exercise for your brain.
Okay, I am ready to get started.
That's the spirit. But wait, before we reveal the secrets, we have a small request for our amazing listeners.
Yes, if you find our tips helpful, please click that like button. Give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe. It helps us create more of these lessons for you. Okay, Rose, let's start the training. When you try to speak English right now, what happens inside your head?
Honestly, I think in my own language first. I think of a word, then I try to translate it into English. And then I finally speak.
I understand. So many students do that, but it's hard work for your brain.
It really is. It feels like my brain is moving through mud.
Our big, happy goal is to think in English. No translating, just pure English.
That sounds so much faster. But how do we even begin?
We start small, very, very small. Tip number 1, think in small sentences.
Just sentences? Not just single words?
Words are okay, but sentences are better. For example, instead of just thinking pen, think, this is my pen, or my pen is blue.
I see. So I do this all day?
Yes! When you wake up and stretch, don't think in your language. Think like this, I am awake, or I am hungry, I want coffee.
Oh, I like that. I go to the kitchen, I open the door. It's like I'm narrating my own life.
Exactly. You're connecting English directly to your life, not to your old language.
Okay, that's tip number 1. What's next?
Tip number 2, input. English in.
So, English goes into my ears and my eyes?
You need to listen to the rhythm and the music of English.
The music of English. I love that. What should I be listening to?
Podcasts like this one are great input, but you can also find simple English songs and watch simple videos about things you actually enjoy.
Like cooking? I love watching chefs.
Perfect. When the chef says, I cut the tomato, I add salt, you are connecting the word to the action.
That makes it so much more interesting.
Now, are you ready for the final step?
Yes, I'm ready.
Tip number 3, output. English out.
But Max, what if I'm alone? I don't have a partner to talk to.
You have the best partner, yourself. Speak to yourself out loud.
People will think I am crazy.
Do it in the shower, in the car, or in your room. Your ears need to hear your own voice speaking English.
Okay, so I just look around and talk?
Yes, describe your world.
This is my room.
My bed is big. I have a brown table.
I have a computer. My computer is black. Wow, I can feel my brain. Finding the words without translating.
It's working. You are building an English brain. You can even talk about your day before you go to sleep. Today, I was happy. I ate pasta. I talked to Max.
Max, this is powerful. But tell me the truth. Will my brain change by tomorrow?
No, Rose. Learning a language is a slow process. And that is perfectly okay. You must be patient and kind to your brain.
That sounds good.
Good, just do it for 10 or 15 minutes every single day. Small steps lead to big changes.
And what if I make a mistake? What if I say, I is happy?
Mistakes are beautiful. They mean you are learning. Just say, oh, okay, and try again. Be brave and have fun with it.
I feel so much more confident now. My English brain is growing.
It really is. That was an amazing session, Rose.
Thank you, Max. I hope these tips help everyone listening. Before we go, we have one more thing for you.
Yes, our question of the day is, what do you do to train your brain?
Leave a comment below. We want to read your tips and learn from you too.
Thank you for listening, everyone. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we will see you next time.